Introducing your dream home in the exclusive 55 plus Rio Verde community at 1402 22nd Street Northeast Unit 501, Auburn, Washington. This pristine 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom residence spans a generous 2,000 square feet, creating an ambiance of comfort blended with sophistication. The expansive primary bedroom boasts a walk-in closet and a luxurious 5-piece bathroom. An oversized 2-car garage includes a workshop and extensive storage, with capacity for up to 4 cars. The detached casita provides a flexible space, perfect as a 3rd bedroom or office. Outdoors, the private lot features meticulous landscaping with a tranquil fountain, a koi pond, and a flagstone patio. 2 driveways and ample off-street parking add convenience, alongside easy access to nearby amenities, restaurants, transit, and highways. Call Jeff Dickinson at 206-852-9711 to book a showing.